Do you think that the housing market in Nashville is going to drop from where we are right here today, March of 2023?
So the housing market in the mid-state, I'll just call it the mid-state, is unusual in that we kind of live in a bubble. We have a tremendous economic climate here. Businesses are moving to Nashville or the mid-state area, Franklin, even down into Murray County. A lot of young, vibrant people live here, so there's a lot of synergy among peoples, and that makes for a very solid economy. To that end, we're also getting people flying in from California, New York, Illinois, these high-tax states, and bringing their money with them. So our housing market is unique in that, unlike, and I'm not picking on any state in particular, let's use a state we touch, Kentucky to the north of us, is, it doesn't have our economy. It doesn't have our tax-free income tax status. We don't have a state income tax in the state of Tennessee. That makes us one of 9 states that do that. The other are Texas, Tennessee, New Hampshire, Washington State, North Dakota, Florida. Did I say New Hampshire?
You said New Hampshire.
Alaska, and Wyoming, I believe, is the other one.
I can't name them off like that. So
Tax guy, what
all
can I
I
say?
can do is listen.
And I think maybe Nevada. So that makes us unusual in that people are flocking here. People are also flocking here for our way of life. And so that has buoyed our real estate market. We're not seeing drastic drops in real estate like you're seeing across the country.